Encountered an EKC file from Kerio Connect mail server. These store email server configuration data for the Kerio platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Kerio Connect email configuration files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the EKC format and dozens of others obsolete. EKC files are email configuration files used by Kerio Connect, mail server containing server settings, user account configurations, domain definitions, and security parameters for the Kerio email platform deployment in business environments. EKC files use Kerio's proprietary configuration format, storing structured email server parameters with hierarchical organization of domain settings, user accounts, security policies, and integration configurations, following Kerio Connect's specification for mail server configuration management. The industry standard application for EKC is considered to be Kerio Connect from GFI Software. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows cannot interpret dependencies between settings, so careful review is essential before editing. Your first step towards full access, right-click the EKC file and select Open With. If Kerio Connect is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If your EKC file will not open, do not worry. This EKC file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, opening in Kerio Admin Console. Access Kerio Connect's administrative console through a web browser at the server's admin URL. The console manages all configuration changes through validated input rather than direct EKC file editing, ensuring proper configuration without file format errors. Next, backing up configurations. Use Kerio Connect's backup function to safely export server configurations to EKC files for disaster recovery. Schedule regular backups of EKC configuration files alongside mail data to enable complete server restoration after hardware failures or migrations. Finally, viewing as text. If EKC files use text format, try opening them in Notepad++ to review configuration content. The structure may reveal configuration parameters useful for troubleshooting, though direct editing is not recommended due to potential corruption of server configurations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.